Welcome to Amara's Good Stuff, where curiosity leads the way and wonder never gets old. Today, we're heading into the heart of the rainforest to explore one of the most dazzling and delicate creatures in the animal kingdom. It hovers, zips, and sparkles like a living jewel. Let's explore hummingbirds. Hummingbirds are the smallest birds in the world, but don't let their size fool you. They're fast, fierce, and full of surprises. Most species are just 3 to 5 inches long, and some weigh less than a penny. Yet they can flap their wings up to 80 times per second, creating the signature hum that gives them their name. These tiny birds are the only ones that can hover in place, fly backward, and even upside down. Their flight is powered by rapid wing beats and a unique ball and socket joint at the shoulder, allowing full rotation. Watching a hummingbird in motion is like seeing a feathered helicopter with a glittering paint job. Hummingbirds feed on nectar from flowers, using their long, slender bills and specialized tongues to reach deep into blossoms. Their tongues flick in and out up to 20 times per second, lapping up sugary fuel to power their high-speed lifestyle. They also eat insects and spiders for protein, especially when feeding their young. To support their energy needs, hummingbirds visit hundreds of flowers a day. Their fast metabolism means they're constantly on the move. And they even go into a state called torpor at night, a kind of mini hibernation that helps conserve energy while they sleep. There are over 300 species of hummingbirds, mostly found in the Americas. The ruby-throated hummingbird is common in the eastern United States, while the brilliant violet saberwing and fiery-throated hummingbird dazzle in Central and South America. Their feathers shimmer with iridescent colors that change with the light rays: greens, blues, and purples that seem almost magical. Hummingbirds are also important pollinators. As they sip nectar, they transfer pollen from flower to flower, helping plants reproduce. Some flowers have evolved specifically to attract hummingbirds, with bright colors and tubular shapes that match their feeding style. During migration, some hummingbirds travel incredible distances. The ruby-throated hummingbird flies non-stop across the Gulf of Mexico, over 500 miles in a single journey. That's like running a marathon with no rest, fueled only by flower juice. Despite their speed and sparkle, hummingbirds face threats from habitat loss, climate change, and window collisions. Gardeners can help by planting native flowers, avoiding pesticides, and hanging feeders filled with sugar water, never honey or artificial sweeteners. Clean feeders regularly to keep the birds healthy. Hummingbirds remind us that beauty and power can come in the tiniest packages. They're living proof that nature is full of wonder, precision, and joy. Watching one hover near a flower or zip past your window is like catching a glimpse of magic in motion. Thanks for exploring with me on Amara's Good Stuff, where the world, the ocean, and the stars are always waiting for you. Until next time, keep wondering.